Okay, back here at the cemetery. What else is new, right?
0 feet altitude.
We're on a mission.
Distance. 9 miles per hour. 100% battery.
They got me a lone hood rat over here. It's right there. I'm not going to bother going chasing after him or anything. I'm going to fly my mission. Wait, cancel. It didn't focus.
Mission ended.
Even though it looks focused, can't trust it. Okay.
114 feet altitude. 2 feet distance. 5 miles per hour. 96% battery.
Pretty steamy out there. It cooled off a lot, but today we had a lot of thunderstorms. So lots of low clouds. Kind of cool effect. Just gonna fly out to the school and back. I don't think I can control the camera. Shit, I should have adjusted it before I left. That's alright.
199 feet altitude. 1,573 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 91% battery.
This is a low level mission too. I don't know if I ran this one before. It goes to the tower. Flies around the tower. I think. Yeah, that's what it does. It goes around the tower. And then to the school. I had to pick this one by mistake.
3,949 feet distance. 26 miles per hour. 87% battery.
I can't look around, so I'm just gonna let it go. I'll lose connection. He'll be back. I'm not gonna worry about it. Got good speed, no wind. We'll be fine. Plenty of altitude. Even if I do lose connection, it won't be long. That hood rat took off. He must have heard the drone. Still got connection, that's pretty good. Yeah, we'll be fine.
199 feet altitude. 6,189 feet distance. 25 miles per hour. 84% battery.
Yeah, my picture's choppy. That's the furthest point out though.
Warning, disconnected.
From this one point. I've flown this one before, so I'm not worried about it. I think when I'm done, I'm going to send the camera up and do a 360 of the horizon, because with all the storms rolling around, probably got a lot of thunderheads.
199 feet altitude. 6,850 feet distance. 20 miles per hour. 77% battery.
That's facing north right there. That's downtown Albany. The building way off in the foreskin. I mean foreground. Yeah, I can't turn the camera. That's alright. Cool flight. Just went out to dinner to Cracker Barrel. Oh, stuffed like a pig. Oh, now there's more hood rats out. There's two over there across the field. I'll visit them when I get the drone back.
(199 feet altitude. 7,294 feet distance. 21 miles per hour. 72% battery.
Great speed. I've actually flown from that church before in that parking lot. It's over near the high school. That's Maple Hill Road right there. Here I'll probably get a shitty signal for a minute. Or not. Yeah, pretty. I can see where I am. Line of sight.
(200 feet altitude. 8,110 feet distance. 22 miles per hour.
That's the high school.
68% battery.
That's definitely the high school. Because there's a jungle gym and stuff down there. It's probably the elementary school. I think the other one is high school. Yeah.
(200 feet altitude. 6,943 feet distance. 24 miles per hour. 64% battery.
This isn't a very long mission. It's coming back already. Hey, come here, dear. Yeah, there's two of them over there. And there's the soybean crop turning green. Looks like it's growing pretty good. Fucking hood rats, man. They do a number on this crop.
200 feet altitude. 4,646 feet distance. 27 miles per hour. 59% battery.
In another month, you'll see all the holes where they prefer to dine. Yeah, they went across the street over into the orchard. Yeah, this is definitely an older mission
199 feet altitude.
because I don't do these usually anymore.
2,267 feet distance.
Can't control the camera.
26 miles per hour. 54% battery.
Getting some sprinkles. I got a ton of battery left.
Mission ended. (199 feet altitude, 518 feet distance, 33 miles per hour, 49% battery).
I don't see anybody out today.
(207 feet altitude, 1,575 feet distance, 36 miles per hour, 43% battery).
The dirt mine. I don't know. Have any idea what this place is? It's a dirt mine.
205 feet altitude, 3,481 feet distance, 13 miles per hour, 34% battery.
Time to think about coming back. Get out here in the open. Go home. Hey, my daughter's texted me bragging about her jacuzzi. Good for you.
244 feet altitude,
Brat.
3,038 feet distance, 22 miles per hour, 28% battery.
Oh, I don't have a jacuzzi. I don't see any hood rats anywhere.
Warning, aircraft battery at 25%.
Sprinkling very slightly.
244 feet altitude. 1,068 feet distance. 22 miles per hour. 23% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 23%.
There he is, right on time. Come on down.
Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
I'm going to send it up with the other battery and do a 360 picture, one or two.
119 feet altitude. 4 feet distance. 4 miles per hour. 19% battery.
I was tempted to go out earlier, right before it started raining, because I can get lightning shots.
18%.
A little bird just got danger close to the drone. Like I was saying, I was going to get some, I was tempted. I was going to go to the church and put it up and get a couple of 360s or just shoot some video of the storm rolling in. But luckily,
Battery at 15%.
I didn't, because it started pouring like 5 minutes after I thought about going. So with that said, D-dub out. I'm going to get a couple 360s. D-dub out.